Alright, next we're going to apply the binding onto the neck and the armhole. To do so, we will use this binding tool. Simply come over here, click on the binding tool, and I'm going to hide the avatar here. Simply come over here to the vertical toggle menu and then click on the show or hide avatar to hide the avatar. So we will begin applying the binding from this back. Simply click one to start. Continue clicking one to guide the binding, just like that. And at the end here, we want to click twice. However, though, for the Mac user, we want to double click twice. All right, next I'm going to apply the binding on this armhole. Begin one right here, then hover the mouse over here, and now I'm going to double click on this twice to apply the binding. So now I'm going to apply the binding onto this opposite side. Simply click right here, hover the mouse over there, and then come over here and then double click twice, guys. All right, next we are going to modify this binding. I'm going to press on number 2 here, and to modify the binding, we want to use this select binding tool. And then I'm going to simply Command or Control plus letter A to select all the binding. Then come over here to the property editor, and I'm going to change this binding to, instead of under, I will change it to over. And then come down here. So if you look at under fabric, I have top. So I will change it to silk chamois, which is with this print. Or I can add a different fabric if I want to. Let's say I want with white color. I can simply click on add here and then name it binding. And then I will come over here to 3D window, pressing on Command or Control plus letter A to select all the binding. And come over here this time, I will change the fabric here to binding. And next, let's change the tool here to Transform Pattern tool, and I'm going to strengthen this pattern before I simulate. So let's simulate to see the effects and stop the simulation. And I will change the tool here to select /Smooth tool. I'm going to also unstrengthen here so we get to see better look onto the dress. All right, it looks amazing, guys. I'm going to show the avatar once again here. Next, we are going to render the dress with lower particle distance as well as change the thickness to 1.5. So to change the thickness and change the particle distance, we want to have the fabric kind of a little bit cover over to the zipper. To do that, there are two things. We want to change the fabric thickness and the particle distance. All right, let me show you that. So I'm going to come over here, my case selects all the pattern pieces, and then we want to come over here and then change the particle distance here to 10, okay? Then press on return enter on the keyboard. Next, I'm going to change the thickness rendering to 1.5 and then press on return enter on the keyboard. And after that, let's strengthen the pattern here and come over here to the simulation icon, click on it to simulate. So if we look at closely, you will see the fabric got a little bit thicker, and now you can see the zipper right here almost disappear. After that, I'm going to stop the simulation and let unstrengthen here. And there you go. So if we zoom out right there, this is where the result that we see. So there it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and remember to follow me on Encoder Fashion for more awesome video like this. Bye! See you next video!